So I will show you how to show your own blackboard on the screen in the classroom. To do that, join the session. I will make you a moderator to begin with. To do this, I need to look at this one. Okay. And again click, sorry, not this one, yes, this arrow, square arrow, and it says share application screen, so click that one, and then you go to Chrome tab, and there you see all your blackboards. So if you want to show, for example, how you find comments, then you can click here and it will show your blackboard. So if you find you lose your column here, you can just click this arrow. And so let's say you want to show my grades, well then I think it's up here, right? And then you're going to click on my grades, and of course I don't have any my grades. So you are going to then click the grade, just give an example with some comments, and then you can click on that one and show it to the girls about what they need to do, because the girls really need to see comments and they need to see from improvement. Yes, I usually put more details on the speaking, and sometimes I WhatsApp, if it's a very long, I'll WhatsApp an explanation, and I will make a note of that as well on the grade center. So that's how it's done. So if you could please explain that to the class tomorrow, that would be great. Thank you.